How to remove duplicate contacts on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to merge duplicate contacts in just a few taps. First, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. You can also open the Phone app and tap the Contacts tab. Now, scroll through your contacts list. If your iPhone detects duplicates, you may see a message at the top saying Duplicate Contacts Found. Tap View Duplicates. Here, you'll see a list of contacts that appear more than once. To fix them, tap Merge All to combine everything automatically. Then tap Merge Duplicates. If you want more control, you can open each duplicate contact individually and tap Merge manually. Once merged, your contacts will be cleaned up, and you'll only see one updated entry for each person. This helps keep your address book organized and prevents confusion when calling or messaging. On my device, the duplicate suggestion may not always appear, but you can still manually check and merge contacts using the same option. And that's how to merge duplicate contacts on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.